Welcome to the spiritual heaven in the realm of Numerology. I'm Roxy and this is Numerology Reading. Today we are going to unlock the door to the mysterious universe toward the meaningful digit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any secret about Numerology and experience its wonder together. Let's do it right now. We have gone through number 1, 2, 3 in the previous video. If you want to watch it again, you can find it on my YouTube channel. Today, let's dive into the world life path number 4, often considered the builder, the organizer, and very foundation of society. Get started! This part is packed with amazing strength that really make mark in both your personal and work life. If you are number 4, you will find this trait resonating deeply with your core being. First up, your analytical skills are top-notch. You got this natural talent for breaking down and sifting through info, getting right to the heart of things. When you tackle problem, you do it from all angles, allow you to understand and solve complex issue with the precision and clarity. Next, let's talk about your management skill. You are a natural at organizing and leading, whether it in your day-to-day life or at work. Your principle and discipline shine through. People just seem to get you are the to-go person for planning and getting things done right down to the last details. Your logic and practicality are your guiding star in the world that often love to overcomplicate things. You are all about being direct and to the point, skipping the flop to get what really matters. Trust for you is a big deal. It's earned through logic and evidence. You are drawn to information that presented logically and backed up by real evidence. This means you make decisions are well-informed and totally rational. Being result-oriented is your game. You are all about the real world and seeing actual results. You keep your eye on the prize, always aiming for clear, visible success. Your moral compass is strong. Honestly, it isn't just something you practice. You expect it from others as well. You understand that achieving them requires dedication and hard work in your action and decision. You often favor conventional methods. You prefer well-established way over experimenting. Stability and predictability are your thing, more so than taking risks. It's not about strength, but also facing up to the challenge. If you are of number 4, understanding this aspect can offer insight for personal growth and balance. First off, your logical and structured approach, while strength can sometimes manifest as gritty or stubbornness, you often find comfort in what logically fits into your worldview. But sometimes it can make you seem a bit too fixed in your way, especially when new or different ideas pop up. Then there is overthinking and questioning everything. Sure, that's great to be thorough and clear, but sometimes this can lead to analysis paralysis, making you slow down or overwhelm others with your need for detailed understanding. You might also find it tough to show your emotion. You are naturally more reserved, which can make you seem super serious. This can be a barrier when it comes to forming deeper emotional connection. Your caution is a double-edged sword. It's awesome for making well-planned decisions, but it also can hold you back, making you missing on the opportunity. Overanalysis can be real struggle for you in situations where things can be neatly explained or controlled. This need to analyze everything can become mentally exhausting and even penalizing at times. And let's talk about decision making. In a fast-paced world, your thoroughness can sometimes be a drawback. It can mean missing out on trends that need quick decision. Warm it up. Recognizing this challenge is just as important as praising your strength. Praise and praise your strength for sure, but also stay open to growing and become more flexible. This self-awareness is a key to really unlock your full potential and leading a fulfilled life. This individual exemplifies the trait of this part in various domains, from entertainment to business to politics. Let's take a close look at how this celebrated figure embodies the essence of number 4. As co-founder and former chairman of Microsoft Corporation, Bill Gates is an example for life path number 4. His analytical skill, strategic thinking, and attention to detail have totally changed the tech game. Then there is Donald Trump, former US president. Politics aside, Trump's way of handling business and running things is very much in the number 4 lane. He got a strong management, focus, and traditional way of reaching his goal. And the list doesn't stop there. We have Oprah Winfrey, the media giant and giver show of organization, determination, and solid moral compass. The music scene, artists like Nicki Minaj or Drake are totally dedicated to their music, making strategic moves in their career. TV host Jimmy Fallon and actor Brad Pitt also represent versatile nature. Their careers are marked by a steady approach to work backed by a strong sense of professionalism and dependability. Understanding how different numbers get together can really often open your eye in dynamics of both personal and professional relationships. Let's explore which number sync up best with the solid and number 4. Teaming up with a number 10 can super rewarding. Number 10 is all about determination and focus. We totally vibe with your work ethic. There is a shared commitment to achieving goals. This makes number 10 an ideal partner for a number 4. Number 8 is another great match for you. They are disciplined and super organized, and they really believe in the power of hard work. However, number 8 usually has a bit of wider view compared to your down-to-earth approach. This difference can create a powerful combo in both business and personal relationship, mixing the number 4, the detail-focused style, with the number 8, the big picture thinking. The connection between you and number 7 is dynamic and steadfast. You often find number 7 the authenticity and deep insight really appealing. On the flip side, number 7 is drawn to number 4, the stability and dependability. This combo makes a balanced and enriching relationship where the both numbers can grow and shine. It brings unique strength to the table. For less compatible number with you, you can find out on the Numerology Reading app. You can find the download link in the description bar. I believe you can find something useful there. In love, just like everything else in your life, handle things in a realistic and logical way. You are all about stability and aren't really into fast and furious romance. Instead, you are the type who look for something that's going to last and be solid. You don't dream day about soulmate and often don't actively seeking for life partner. Instead, you see building a successful relationship as something that takes hard work, and you are proud of putting in that effort. Your way of handling emotion can also be influenced by other numbers in your numerology chart, like your soul, mission, personality, and attitude number. This can add more layer to how you experience and express your feeling in a relationship. Your big lesson here is to really get the hang of using patience and discipline to hit your goal. You are naturally good at planning and sticking to it, but tricky part, making sure you don't get stuck in a rut. Being inflexibility at work or in life can hold you back. So it's about finding that balance. And then there is selflessness. It's awesome how you often put others first, but remember, you got to keep an eye on your own well-being too. It's not selfish, but it's essential. Keeping that balance between helping others and helping yourself is the key to stay happy and healthy. You are reliable and trustworthy. You are like that rock solid friend that everyone can count on, always there to lend a hand to family and friends. It's super important to keep up this spirit. Then there is your knack to support and assistance. You like a battery that your loved one can recharge from. Your ability to listen and be there during tough times is priceless. Just being there, ready to support and help. You give them a huge push. And about creating and stability, you got a special talent for making relationships steady and harmonious. This isn't just good for the here and now, it's the screenshot for building relationships that last a lifetime. Your love for stability and harmony make you a key player in keeping your relationship strong and healthy. Travel and getting things out into nature can be really eye-opening for you. It's not just about seeing new places, but also about finding that sense of peace and realizing the importance of balance and stability in life. You might really get into activity where you can work with your hand, like art, embroidery, or crafting. These aren't just hobbies, they are a way for you to express your love for organization and passion. Hand-on projects like this can be super satisfying for you. It's not just about the end result, but about the process, planning, executing, and seeing the project through the completion. First, as an architect or construction engineer in architecture, you get to plan and design building, which is a great outlet for your constructed way of thinking. And as a construction engineer, your passion and attention to detail would be key to overseeing projects and make sure everything is done just right. Office staff or a project manager's role are tailor-made for someone with your organizational skill and careful approach. In an office setting, you'll be great at keeping things running smoothly, and as a project manager, you could really shine and using your knack for planning and caution to guide projects from the start to finish successful. How about a financial specialist and accountant? This is where your precious and attention to detail really come into play. Working in finance or accounting, you'll be detailing with numbers and data. Area where crucial, your medically approach would be a huge asset in managing finance, whether it's for a business or individual clients. And there you have it, the fascinating journey through the life path number 4, where we uncover the secret, explored the strength, and dive into the unique characteristics that make this life path truly extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration of life path number 4. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, embrace your journey and maybe it filled it with love, harmony, and endless possibility. Take care!